experience something. And since the time I said, it is kindness that touches people. It's not the long prayers that we do at church. It doesn't matter how long you are. For the Eucharistic, it's no value. It remains only there at Mass and in the tabernacle. We should bring our Eucharistic flag outside us, our dealing with people. So kindness is our ministry with children. It's not praying, sometimes people would not understand what our mission is. They said, we are spoiling people. It's not spoiling. It is loving. Kindness, kindness, kindness. And we cannot give enough kindness to people as well. We have to pray. I know it's hard for me to be kind without praying. And that's what I always say to our Lord. Lord, make me kind with your kindness. Make your kind thoughts be my thoughts. Make your kind eyes seeing the goodness of others be my eyes. Make your kind ears listening to others be my ears. Make your kind and truthful words be my words. Make your kind tongue hurting no one, despising no one, criticizing no one, be my tongue. Make your kind and humble heart be my heart. And make your kind hand, always doing good to others, be my hand. Make your kind feet, always on the service of the Lord, with kindness and humility. Thank you. And also our ministry is to this abandoned and abused children. They were put aside. That's why we have to pray hard. What is going on in this world? You cannot believe what a father would do to their children. Sometimes it is the father, it is the grandfather who are abusing the children. Not only abusing, not only hurting, but sexually abused. That's why it is very difficult for the children, very hard to talk to them. And also there are so many people, many children who have the high IQ and could not go to school. And if we don't help them